Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the third video that I am filming today. There's a lot of traffic outside right now because it is getting late in the day. So, okay. I am planning in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of 8th through the 14th of October, and this is the kit that I will be using today. It is called Into the Night. It's part of the Dark Cinderella collection that we have specifically for Halloween 2018, and this is in matte paper. If you are new to my channel, I have an option of glossy and matte paper for my kits. Let me show you the glossy paper. So the glossy paper is cream and fountain pen friendly. If you use fountain pen on your Hobonichi weeks, better pick this up. But if you're only using, let's say, the Coletto pen, what else is there? Like the official pen of Hobonichi, then this is also another option for you. It's ideal for that kind of pens because there's no wait time at all. Here we go, and then this is the second page, Into the Night. So these are your bottom bars, right and left and right, and then script stickers, deco stickers, and then going back here, you have your date cover-ups, you have your strip sticker, checklist strip, little dots sticker, labels, and then bigger decos. So if you compare the decos here to these decos, they are much bigger. I have since reformatted my kits, so I've actually not been using any decos, but I might get back into that maybe later in life. I don't really know. Okay, so let's start with this date cover-up at the side. And then I'm gonna put my checklist as per usual. You can put the checklist anywhere you want, here, here, at the edge here, but I have been enjoying this right beside the date cover-up. Okay. Why won't it peel? Okay, here we go. And then I'm gonna use the strip sticker at the side there. I've been enjoying that lately, but I'll be switching soon because what I tend to do is, oh no, look at that. Do you see that? Regrets in life. Okay. So what I have been doing is that I have been switching out the positioning of the stickers. That is ugly. And it's not even straight. What's happening? Can I still peel it? Well, bad stuff happened. Bad stuff's happening. It's peeling off the paper, so let's just let it go. And now I'm gonna start with the bottom bar. As I was saying, what I've been doing is that I've been switching the... That's not it. Sorry, I have a bunch of other kits beside me. This is it. Oh no, not this. What's happening to me? Bottom bar of the left side. So I have been switching the position of the stickers mostly on this area. The bottom bar stays the same and the date cover up stayed the same so that it doesn't get bulky only in one area. If you're wondering how bulky it will get, this is how bulky it got. There. I like it. I mean, it's not a big issue for me. I love it, in fact. I love looking at my past pages and everything, and so I'm very happy with it. But I do switch it out. Like, I've been doing that for a while. Maybe I'll switch next week. So here, as you can see, I have been switching it out. Wow, this had not been switched out. Like here. See? Okay. So now I'm going to put down the dates because I'm going to be covering this up with the bottom bar for the right page. I'm going to put it exactly where it had been designed to go, but you can also put it elsewhere. I'm going to do a proper flip through at the end of the year of my Hobonichi weeks. I haven't purchased the 2019 yet because my weeks, except for this one, all my weeks, actually all my planners are spring start. So I still have my hedgehog after this, and then I have that silver glitter I don't enjoy that as much as my bow and tie series. So this is part of the bow and tie series. Oh my god, this is bothering me so much, but I will fix that in a bit. This is right. Why is it not aligned? Is it here? No, too high. Or is it just me? Maybe it's aligned and I just did not. Oh my god, this plan with me is going so badly. Okay, I'm just gonna let this go, guys. I'm sorry. It's gonna be crooked as oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. This is just how it's gonna roll because it's really hard to deal with this paper. This paper is Tomoe paper. It's pretty, it's gorgeous. I love it so much, but it's well, you know how I feel about that. It peels. When you peel off a sticker, it will peel the back. Usually, unless you get lucky. Sometimes I get lucky. So I just fixed that. There's a Japanese script there and I put a sticker over it. And then I'm going to have to put a sticker over here. I'm going to use the weekend script sticker first because I'm fixing the mistakes that I made. So actually, except for this and that, those are my foundation stickers. That's what I always start with. I'm going to put this little pumpkin right at the corner. And you can't see it anymore, so this is just gonna be that. Let me see. No, it didn't curl. Sometimes it even would put a dent on the page, but it didn't do that, so that is fine. So okay, I'm gonna put a label sticker now. Label sticker here because this is class day. Oh no, hang on. I'm gonna start with new releases. New releases is on Friday my time, so Saturday morning EST. I'm not gonna put a label sticker here, but I am gonna put a deco because it is class day. And then I'm gonna put another glass slipper for another class day, which is on Friday, which is also new releases day. Fridays are big days. I don't often go out on Fridays because that's when I release my stickers. I'm also gonna go ahead and put down today and to do at the top. So this is oh my god, I am actually in a hurry. That's why things are not working out as well. So I'm gonna take my to do script sticker. I'm just gonna put it on top here. Okay, and then I can focus on here. Oh no, wait. I'm just gonna put down my dots. Just gonna put 2 per day. That would work out. I'm gonna put them closer together here so that if anything comes up on Thursday, because I do have 2 meetings, and then I might have to scribble some stuff there. That is what I do. So this day doesn't need any more dots because a lot of things are happening on that day already. Last 2, I still have a few left. I have a few being that there's 1 left. I'm gonna put it on Thursday. I'm gonna be at school anyways. So there's probably some smaller stuff that I need to do. And this page is done, like really done. There isn't anything else apart from writing on it that I can do right now. So let's go to the other page. I'm gonna use this slipper. Put it up top here. And then I'm gonna put down my goals script sticker. Right here. I should have put down 2 dots for goals, but oh well, I'll just write it. And then I'm gonna put notes. Okay, I'm gonna put this first. My giant pumpkin. Super cute giant pumpkin that turns into a carriage at midnight. No, before midnight. At sunset. I don't know. And then I'm gonna put 2 label stickers here. Notes, general notes, notes for shop, notes for class. Because for school, like actual school where I am a student, I have another planner for that because there's just way too much to do. I'm gonna put this here. Oh no, hang on. I'm gonna put this here, then I'm gonna put track here. Track. Today is the 7th, and I'm gonna fill this in maybe tomorrow morning. And that is our page done! Let's check it out. So here's the today and to do, your dates, no, not date cover-ups, the checklist, the dots, the decos, the script stickers, label stickers, weekend script stickers, sticker, there's just one, and bottom bar stickers. Do you see how crooked that is? It is very, very crooked. I am very, very sorry if you are bothered by that. There's a little bit of shadowing coming through here, but it doesn't really bother me. I mean, if you don't look at it like really up close, like what we're doing now, then you wouldn't be able to notice it. And now let's take a look at all our empties. So empties of the smaller thing, and then empties of the bigger thing. And that's it for us today. I'm just gonna do all the putting pen into paper on my own off camera, and if you want to check out what it'll look like at the end of the week, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It is paperjoyph. And also, if you want any of the stickers that I have shown you today, you can go ahead and purchase them at paperjoyph.com. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more Hobonichi Weeks or Hobonichi Books Planner videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. That's it for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!